Hello, my name is Thelindabradley and I'm with Princess House. We are celebrating 60 years in business this year. It's an amazing accomplishment. Princess House has beautiful items that help you bring healthy to the table in a beautiful way. And today I'm going to focus on a really great package that I think you really might enjoy. So our high power blender is the #1 selling item in our line, and it has been since it was first introduced over 4 years ago. It's an amazing item that is high heavy tools for your kitchen. So it's 1500 watts of power. Inside it has 6 stainless steel blades, and it spins and pulverizes your vegetables and fruits. You don't even have to cut them. You can put them in here whole. It has a large vessel. It's 68 ounces. The top has a little measuring cup actually that comes off. It's a half a cup, but that's meant for you to add more ingredients, and then sometimes you need to stir it up so it comes with a tamper so it doesn't touch the blades. It has pre-programmable 3 different settings. So one is for smoothies. That's what most people use it for. Get your healthy, right? Smoothies. There's one for dips and spreads. I've made homemade pesto, homemade hummus, homemade nut butters. It's amazing. And then the one I love, especially this time of year, is we have one for hot soups. So you put all the ingredients in here and turn it on, and in 7 minutes you'll have hot soup. There's also a regular dial that you can adjust yourself to do whatever setting that you want, but this is a powerful workhorse in your kitchen that you'll wonder what you ever did before you had it. Now, in addition to this, I want to give you 2 other items that are going to help you with your cooking, and one of them is another brand new item, and this is our double burner griddle. So it's made out of the highest quality stainless steel. It's called 1810, and in the bottom is a really thick disc of aluminum so that it all cooks evenly. So this goes front to back on your burner on your stove, and whether you have gas or an electric stove, it will cook evenly for you, even though all of it's not on the burner. It's kind of amazing. You can see how nice and large it is. So this is great for your large meals. You can use it for pancakes, French toast, grilled cheese, pizza. You can have 3 different kinds of foods on here. You can go ahead and use it for your eggs, and then your potatoes and your meats for a big Sunday breakfast. You can use it in your oven as well. It goes in up to 350 degrees with the lid, up to 450 degrees without the lid. You'll understand why I sing the praises of this item. And it's not in the regular catalog right now, so this is the best time to be able to take advantage of it. And then the next item that I want to give you in this collection is a 4-quart stainless steel casserole. It's really a perfect size for a family of up to 4. That you can use for a lot of your needs. So this whole package, if you were to buy each piece separately, would cost you over $1,000, but I'm going to save you over $400 because this whole package is just $630, and that includes shipping and includes tax. We can ship it anywhere in the United States. Now, you can either pay it in full, or you can make a deposit of $160 and then just make 10 payments of $47.60, or you can make 10 even payments of $63, whatever way works out best for you. You can reach me at thelindabradley@gmail.com. Please tell me that you want this package, and I'm happy to help you. I have a couple of other packages with the blender and with the double burner, so watch all of my videos and make sure that you get the one that you really want. Please subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a special. And I also have an email mailing list. If you'd like to be on it, just let me know. Thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will see you next special.